D&D Sports can be found on all social media platforms, including Instagram. Alright, D&D Sports fans, here we are. The new Traxxas TRX6 Mercedes-Benz 6x6 has arrived in our shop, and we are going to take a look at this awesome truck. The first side of the box we're going to look at, you'll see that this is the black edition. They are also making a silver edition, which from my salesman is going to cost $20 more, because this is going to be, the silver edition is going to have hand-painted pinstriping and be painted on the inside and the outside because of a new matte graphic metallic type finish that they're doing. So it's going to cost a little bit more because it is printed on both sides. And this is the other side of the box. You'll see where it is our first delivery for display and demonstrations only until we get our regular model, which is in about 2 weeks. If you follow my channel, you'll notice the red stripe down the side of the box. That is the battery and charger is not included with this, so you will be needing to get a battery and a charger for you to be able to run this truck. Let's look at the other side of the box. All right, this side of the box is your basic, shows what's in the box, is the TQI 2.4 4-channel radio system, XL5 waterproof ESC, Titan 21 turn 550 motor, the tools, the quick start guide, and anything else that might be. I think the light kit is also included in there. So it shows you across here what's all included. There's the toolkit, the instruction manual. There is a good picture of the truck, and that is showing you that the light kit is installed in this truck. And down here, what you need to run this is your batteries, your chargers, your 4 AA's. All right, let's look at the other side. All right, guys, so here's the underside of the truck. 3 of the wheels taken off, shows you the axle setup under there. Also shows you cruise control, 3S power system, waterproof electronics, high and low range transmission, T-lock, remote locking differentials. So that'll give you a look at what the chassis from the top down is going to look like. And a couple more pictures, 6x6 factory installed lighting, dual locking rear axles, longer wheelbase. Alright, so enough about the box. Let's get into this thing and take a look at it. Okay guys, just a quick out of the box. There's your remote. Your truck's got the plastic protecting it and the instruction booklet. The new Mercedes-Benz 6x6. Stay tuned to the end of the video if you want to see how bright these factory installed LED lights are. Alright guys, let's look at the front of the truck. We got some detail here in the front. Traxxas has installed the headlights, the marker lights, and the roll bar lights. The detail on the grille, the bumper area. It's got the Mercedes logo on the hood. Alright guys, before we set the body aside, I want to show you the interior, how they have the wires ran for the lights. There's the control box mounted on the side. The one single plug. And the wires run back to the taillights. Okay, so here's your first look at the TRX4 or TRX6 6x6 chassis. You will notice they have a spot for rock lights, so you know what's coming down the line. kind of wondering how they were going to do this, if it was going to be a new design or if this was going to be two separate pieces. But this is an all new design. One big long set of fenders back there, and you will notice they have 3 spots on that side, 3 spots on this side for rear rock lights, and then 2 spots on each of those. So this new truck will have 10 rock lights in all that can be installed on it. The middle of the truck is pretty much the same as any other TRX4. You got your Titan 21 turn 550 reverse rotation motor, your battery tray, your dual mini servos, those are all the same. On the other side of the chassis, you have this very cool bumper dual purpose skid plate. With the Mercedes edition, you have the plastic silver exhaust. And here is your drive shaft area. You'll have your normal TRX4 drive shaft, and then your second drive shaft to run the third axle. And then you also have a very cool bumper skid plate on the rear of the truck. The factory installed 2.2 wheels. Looks like there's a red ring around the inside. The rock sliders are the chrome looking plastic rock sliders. Since I'm recording this video at night at my house, we're going to drop the 3-cell 5,000 milliamp LiPo pack in the truck, and we're going to take it outside and see how the lights work. Alright guys, oh there it is, the new Traxxas 6x6 Mercedes-Benz. Took it outside, had a little bit of fun with it. I didn't want to get it too dirty because this will be on display down the store for about 2 weeks. If you want to check it out, head on over to your local hobby shop. If they are a Traxxas first delivery store, there will be a model on display in their shop. Hey guys, if you absolutely have to have this Mercedes-Benz 6x6, head on over to our website at www.ddgamezone.com and you can pre-order one of these so that you'll be one of the first people to own the new Traxxas release. Thanks for watching.